What's up, guys? I'm Daniel Kovac, and I'm here with the other co-founder, Chen Duan. We are both the founders of Ghostwalk, and basically we're going to give you a rundown, an introduction of how to use our Discord.
Yeah, so thank you very much for being interested in the Go Squawk trading community. When you first click on the link to sign into our trading server, you should see this icon up here in the top left-hand corner. Once you click on this icon here, it's going to take you to this channel where you're able to see more info related to Go Squawk stuff. Now, the first thing you want to do is click on the verify channel and make sure that you've read all the rules related to our Discord trading community. Once you've clicked on the emoji here, you will be able to get yourself verified and become a member of the Ghost Squawk trading community.
So it's important to realize that how we have this structured is hierarchically, right? So we have, different channels pertaining to different topics, and that's organized under a broad category. So the Ghostwalk Info is where you're going to be going when you're new, just to kind of check us out. We have an FAQ section with a lot of our offerings, and other than that, you can see announcements, our introductions and staff. You can introduce yourself in the channel, and some other things. Open a support ticket if you need to. Okay, there's also other topics where we discuss, just trading related things, but mainly you're going to be concerned with the Ghost Squawk community tab, where that's kind of like the general chatter and product related chatter.
We'll discuss a little bit more of that in the next video. But for now, once you get acquainted with the Ghost Squawk info, you want to go to this channel right here where you're able to select a role. And this is where you'll be able to get access to specific channels that we have. And you can tell us a little bit more about yourself, such as which country you're from, what language you speak, which asset class you're interested in, what trading skill level you're at. So you can find that in the Get Your Roles here. More information is found in the facts. You can see information related to announcements when you go here. If you want to introduce yourself, which we highly recommend, you can always go here and do a short introduction of yourself to let everybody in the community know who you are. And finally, if you have any questions, inquiries about the Ghost Walk services that are offered, you can just click on this and open a support ticket. And the support ticket is meant to provide you with additional insight from one of the staff members on anything that you'd be interested in. So that's just a really quick video on how you can begin to use the Ghostwalk trading community once you sign in with the link provided.